This 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new KZ is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features one Slideout, a gunmetal interior, sleep 6, air conditioning, smoke detector, stove top burner, skylight, microwave, Slideout, TV antenna, CO detector, leveling jacks, water heater, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301DB is 6,150 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.